Yes.
Okay. So this is the graph, and we'll solve this graph, or we find the minimum spanning tree by using this Prim's algorithm. So first you just can you calculate how many minimum number of edges are required for the spanning tree? It is possible. So meanwhile, I just solve it. You just calculate and check your answer. Okay. So in this case, Prim's algorithm. First, we find the minimum edge between two vertices. First, we find the minimum edge between two vertices. Okay. So the minimum edge is 10. The minimum edge is 10 between 0 and 5. Between 0 and 5. Okay. So 0 and 5, there is 10. Wait, 10. After that, we can find the minimum edge with the connected graph. With the connected edges with 5 or 0. It's a limitation. Okay. हमें क्या करना है? First, we find the minimum edge of the graph. So we calculate this 10, and after that we can explore only the connected nodes. We can explore only the connected nodes, not randomly. Okay. So we'll find the minimum edge between the two connected vertex. So from 5 to 4, there is a minimum. No, 25 is here, and from 0 to 1, which one is it is 28. So which one is minimum? Find the minimum. 25 is minimum. So first we select this one, and next we will select this one. From 5 to 4, that will 25. That will 25. Next, we will explore again the connected vertex. So the connected vertex from 4 is 6. So here is 24, and from 4 to 3 it's 22, and here we can find 28 is here. So which one is minimum? 22 is minimum. So we will select this one, 22. So the path will 4 to 3. 4 to 3. That is 22. Again the same method will repeat. So we will find the minimum connected edge between 3 and 6. That will 18, and from 3 to 2, that is 12, and from 0 to 1, it is 28. So we'll select which one? 3 to 12. We'll select 3 to 12. So 3 to 12. 3 to 2, and the weight is 12. 3 to 2, and weight is 12. And again we'll select which one? The minimum one. So from 2 to 1. From 2 to 1, it is 16, and from 0 to 1, it is 28. So we'll select 16. We'll select 16. So we'll select 16. Between 2 to 1. 16. Clear? And then we'll select from 1 to 6. From 1 to 6. Here is a 14. Here is 14. And from 0 to 1, here is 28. So which one will select? We'll select 1 to 6. We'll select 1 to 6. 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Clear? And next all the vertex is visited. Any vertex is remaining? No, all the vertex is visited. So this process is complete. This process is complete. Okay, and how many edges are involved in this case? How many edges are involved? 6 edges. 6 edges. And how many vertices are here? 6. The vertices are 6. 6 vertices. Huh? 7 vertices here. How many vertices are? 7 vertices are here. And the number of edges is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So by the formula can we calculate how many edges are required? So you just calculate and check it. So this is the Prim's algorithm. This is the Prim's algorithm. Okay, through which we can compute the minimum number of edges. And what will be the complexity of this minimum spanning tree? What will be the complexity of your minimum spanning tree? So how many number of vertex? How many number of vertex? Vertex are V vertex, N vertex. You can say N vertex. And how many possibilities are there? How many number of edges are here involved? How many minimum number of edges involved? Some formula. Some formula. So V minus 1. V minus 1. Always the V minus 1 edges will require. V minus 1 edges will require. Clear? Clear? So if we calculate it, so we find the order of n square. This will be the complexity of your algorithm. This will be the complexity of your algorithm. But what will be the best case? What will be the best case? In the best case, if we apply here the heap sort, the mean heap. If we apply the mean heap, so in case of mean heap, we always find the minimum value. We always find the minimum value. And what will be the complexity of your heap sort? The complexity of heap sort is n log n. N log n. Clear? So in this case, the complexity of this particular Prim's algorithm will be n log n. I think so. Clear? Clear? Okay. And now we'll learn the critical algorithm. ठीक है? बंद करो.